In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to publish your own indicator in TradingView so you can use it on your charts or share it with others. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open TradingView and go to the PineScript editor from the top menu. Once you're inside the editor, paste your PineScript code or write your indicator. After that, click on Add to Chart to make sure your script is working correctly. If there are any errors, fix them before moving forward. Now look to the top right of the editor and click on Publish Indicator. This will start the publishing process. Next, give your indicator a name and write a clear description so others understand what it does. Then click Continue. You'll now choose how you want to publish it, either private or public. Select the option that fits your needs. Once everything looks good, confirm and publish your script. Your indicator will now be available to use and share. That's it. Now you know how to publish an indicator in TradingView. Subscribe for more quick tutorials.